But if you're talking about the government school, they have a lot of work like census and voting. These two responsibility, a very big responsibility is on the shoulder of a government teacher. So that's why
all the things like everything that you said, it's apart from the education. They are not matter.
No, they are.
Education is
That's
the thing.
why. Okay, you are blaming that government school not providing quality of education. Though I am giving to you a reason that why they are not providing a quality of education, because there's a fault of government too. They are providing a lot of work to teacher.
That's the reason. That's the reason why the government school is not capable to give the better education
because
and future.
we don't ask question from government. Because we are not concerned about
How
future.
can you say that we can't ask question from
we
government?
take very lightly to the government school. That's why it is happening.
As the government is made by the people, and people have right to ask question from
so that's
government.
why I'm saying people have right. They
Because
have to, but they are not asking.
And we can't say that we are not paying something for that. We are paying taxes for our facilities. Good morning to all of you. Myself Aliza here.
Good morning everyone. This is Zia Talib.
And we are here in debate round, and the topic of our debate is which is better, government school or private school. I am in favor of private school because it provides us many facilities and good education. So I am in favor of private school.
No, I don't agree with your point, because government school are also provides a quality of education to all children, and they think that a student want to concern about their study. That's why they are providing free education to all the children till the age of 14. So what do you think about that?
Your point is correct, but in private school they used to teach in different methods and trick, so student will take it as an easy way. Don't make it as a burden of studies.
I think in government school, government also want to concern about this type of thing. They that's why they have open smart class and creativity class. They also open the dance class and the music class, and they have a lot of teacher who can teach you and who can make you feel better as the same in private school. So what do you think about that?
As you are saying about the things that governments are opening, like any types of facilities or any types of side things that they can uplift the minds of student, but in schools like private schools they provide us many things, or they are so confident in co-curricular activities as they used to encourage their students to take part in some types of co-curricular activities like in football, badminton, or in dance, music, and many types of things.
Okay, there are also a lot of opportunities in government school. If you are talking about a sport like kabaddi, football, or cricket, they also choose a lot of students who can play with their team and who can make their country proud, make their parent proud. So most of the students from government school, I think that because it's easy to, because the government also provide a lot of fun to students who are poor. So government also take care of poor student, poor people. So what do you think about that? Private school not providing a lot of fun also.
But they can't give them a proper discipline, like anything, like everything needs a discipline to do things in a manner. So I think it's the biggest thing that we need a discipline to do any work. Like in government school the student not take the discipline as in serious way, because there are no any strict teachers and rules are there.
No.
But in private school they have to pay something for that, so they are strict to their disciplines, rules and regulations.
Okay, the mentality is that they have to pay. That's why their parents are concerning about their discipline and manners. And in government school they don't have to pay. That's why they are not concerning about studies or manners. So I think this is a fault of parents also. What do you think about that?
It's not the fault of parents, it's the fault of the teachers, that they should give knowledge to their students so they can learn.
No, I cannot say about this, because in government school there's a fault of parents, and a government also teacher are innocent.
There is no fault of parents, because parents can't teach their students because they don't have time. Mainly a mother or father can do job, or maybe in job, or mother is always busy in their house.
But at least they have time to ask question from the school that why my child is not studying right now, because they have right. They are sending their children to the government school, so they have right to ask question about the government because they choose the government.
It's not the matter of a student, it's the matter of the parents. So I'm not talking about the parents, it's the matter of the school, that school should be responsible for every types of education and knowledge.
But government school conduct by government, that's why I'm saying that both are guilty. If we're talking about the parents and if we're talking about the government, both are guilty. And
But
first,
there
government
is no
provide a lot
fault of
work to the
parents.
teacher. That's why.
Parents can't give time to their children because they are mostly busy in their works. Like maybe if both parents were doing the job, what can we say to their parents?
So why parents are
That's
earning a
why
lot
they
of
are
money if they
sending
can't
their
teach
children
their
to
if they
school.
can't concern about their children? What's the need of a lot of money if they are earning a lot of money?
They are
What's the need?
providing their children a good facility of education. If they can't provide good facility of education, their needs, what they need properly, so how
So
can we say them as a bad parents?
The children needs also the time of parents, and that's the most important thing in everyone's life. If your parents giving you time, that's you are blessed. Nowadays, but people nowadays thinking about if I am fulfilling my children need
But
and I'm
as
providing
you
a lot
know-
of facilities,
as you know,
so I
as
am
we are
fulfilling
the-
my responsibility, and that's a very cheap mentality.
As we know that in this era, in this modern era, we can't get the love of our parents. Nobody is blessed that much because maybe some parents are not capable to do these things. So we can't say that they have their fault. So we
That's
take it
why
as
children are
a
going to the
responsibility
wrong
of
path because their
schools.
parents
Why
are not
there are
concerned.
schools?
Because
Schools are for
only
the
teach you study and
education
some manner.
facilities, discipline to make their children capable to do something in the future.
So no, I'm saying about that. If school only learn and how to study and how to be mannerful and respectful, but I'm talking about the parents. There's a big role in parents in every child life. Are you concerned?
As I am not talking about the parents because there is no matter of parents, there is the matter of school. So why we can't talk about the school rather than parents?
Okay,
As
no,
a
I'm
parent
saying that
can't
because I
able
took
to
the
give
side
time
of
to their
government schools.
children.
That's why I have to talk about parents, because we all are related to this. We and government are also related to the government school. That's why I'm talking about all of this.
As in government.
Okay, you know, private school teachers only teach a student; they don't have extra work. But if you're talking about the government school, they have a lot of work, like census and voting. These two responsibility, a very big responsibility, is on the shoulder of a government teacher. So that's why
all the things like everything that you said, it's apart from the education. They are not matter.
No, they are.
Education is
That's
the
why.
thing.
Okay, you are blaming that government school not providing quality of education. Though I am giving to you a reason that why they are not providing a quality of education, because there's a fault of government too. They are providing a lot of work to teach the
That's
extra
the
work.
reason.
That's the
the
reason I'm saying about
why
that.
the government school is not capable to give the better education
Because
and future.
we don't ask question from government. Because we are not concerned about
How
future.
can you say that we can't ask question from
we take
government?
very lightly to the government school. That's why it is happening.
As the government is made
And
by
I-
the people, and people have right to ask question
So
from
that's why I'm
government.
saying people have right. They
Because
have
we
right, but they are
also-
not asking.
and we can't say that we are not paying something for that. We are paying taxes for our facilities, not for the government facilities.
Okay,
As
I'm not
we are
getting
paying
your part
some
right
types
now.
of taxes.
I was just saying that we have rights, that we have to ask question from government, but we are not asking. That's the reason why we are decreasing ourselves. That's the reason why government schools are not
And
doing good.
what is the reason behind it that we are not raising the question to the government?
Because we are full and
government
we are
is
lazy.
made by us.
Yeah,
We
I'm
can't
talking
blame
about the same
ourselves for
thing.
that.
We of course we have to blame ourselves because we are full. We don't ask question. Why we don't have question? Because we don't have time, and I think we are lazy. We don't want to indulge in this type of thing. That's why we are doing.
But this is the not matter, as this is the reason, as the point you told, this is the
Okay,
reason.
have you ever about the Delhi public school or in Delhi there are a lot of government schools? Why there?
I know about
Okay.
many types of government school which are giving the better education with better facilities and co-curricular activities. I'm not blaming to that school. I'm blaming to some schools that are not capable to do those things. Why they are so?
Why they're so? Because this is a fault of government too. They're not concerning about a school.
Then we should raise the question.
So
as
I was
it
saying
is
the
the
same
time.
point
It is the
from
time
the
to
beginning.
prepare our children, so prepare our surrounding or our colleagues to do something.
Okay, let me clear my point. I was saying the same thing. Right now you are mentioning that we have to ask question and parents are not concerning about the thing. That's why it is happening. And
that's
you are
the thing, that why we need education. You told that government is not doing so.
Okay.
As if we are educated, we know our rights and duties, what we should have and what we should learn and what we should get.
I don't know
it's the thing that we should get education, better education, to ask question to our government, because it is made by us.
That's the same.
We have the right to ask question to governments.
We have right, but we are not asking, and the reason is that we are full and we are lazy. We don't care about this type of thing. And the quality of education is good in government school, and the quality of a teacher, because teacher are, I think, in my point of view, teacher are more qualified in government school and a comparison of private school, because they have to pass a lot of exam. And right now there's a CTET, there's a TET, there's a you can say UPSC level exam is going on in teacher position, to take teacher position. So
I agree with your point. I agree with your point, but it's the matter that education, we get like so many types of exam, we're qualified to become a government teacher. But if we are qualified any types of exam, if we qualified any types of CTET and anything, whatever we should do for that, then it means that we should educate to our students. Then why they are not educating, just taking the degree and giving the exams and doing the such thing like CTET and everything?
No, they are not taking on they are also talented, but they don't have time to study, because I also mentioned and I mentioned this point again and again, because government are not providing such type of facilities to teacher, because they are providing a lot of work, and the teacher is also a human being, they also need rest. So teachers responsibility is not only to teach, their responsibility is voting and census also.
I think government school should be responsible for something, and they should give some changes and some types of facilities to teachers, to their students and their environment, so it could become something better.
So the thing is that we need time. The government school need time to reach at that point, and in future it will reach, because in some places we have seen a lot of good thing in government school and it's changing. So I hope it can be better. Thank you.
Thank you.